Hello friends, in this video I am going to tell you how to add size and color options in Woocommerce on a WordPress website. Might be you are selling any product in which you want to add the attributes of size and color to create product variants of different sizes and different colors, right? So for that scenario, as you can see, I am into WordPress admin dashboard, and in the left side toolbar we have an option of products. I have simply moved my cursor on products, and here there is an option of adding a new product in the sub menu appeared in front of us. We will click on add new product. Here you can simply enter the product name. For example, it's digital Bikana collared t-shirt, right? So I have added the product name. Right now the next section is of product description. Here you can simply write a good product description having SEO keywords, right? Having a high search volume, right? So that your product ranks on search engine and get good traffic and good sales as well, right? Coming to the next section is of product data. Here in the product type you need to select the variable product, as your product have different variation, right? So it's not a simple product, it's a variable product. You have multiple options like available in product type. First one is simple product, second one is group product, third one is external product, and fourth one is variable product. So we will select variable product as of now. In the left side you can see there are options, right? We need to click on attributes, and here in the attributes you can simply add a new attribute by clicking add new. You need to give the name of the attribute first. So I'm entering the name of attribute as color, and in the value I'm writing red space vertical line space white space vertical line space black, right? So I have added 3 colors over here, and I have already marked this check-in used for variation as well as visible on the product page. I have also checked this option. Now I will click on save attributes. Now I will create a new attribute because I also want to add the size attribute. So I will click on add new in attribute section, and here in the name of the attribute I will write size, and in the value I will write M space vertical line space L space vertical line space XL space vertical line double XL, right? So I have added 4 different sizes in the value differentiated with vertical line, right? And again we need to check these both options used for variation and visible on the product page. And now I will click on save attributes. Now we will just jump into the variations option in the product data, right? I have clicked on variation and will click on generate variation and then OK. So as you can see, all product variants have been created. We have added 3 colors and 4 sizes. So total product variants are 12, right? In red color we have 4 different sizes, in white color we have again 4 different sizes, and in black color we have again 4 different sizes. So total product variants are 12, right? We can simply edit each and every product variant. We can simply add the SKU number or like a regular price, sale price, whether in stock or not. And if we want WooCommerce to manage the stock, then also we can simply check this in and can tell WooCommerce how much inventory of this particular product variant we have, right? We can add the shipping class as well as tax class, and can add a short description of this product variant, and all these details we need to fill for each and every product variant, and then we can simply publish this product, and your product will get 2 options. One is of size and the another one is of color. So this is how you can add size and color options in your product in Woocommerce on WordPress website. Apart from it, if you want to learn more about Woocommerce, then I have mentioned my blog link in the video description. You can simply click on the blog link and can reach on the blog and read articles related to Woocommerce tutorial. And if you are interested in learning digital marketing in detail, then also I have mentioned my website link in video description. You can simply visit our website website. Explore our digital marketing course and you can purchase the course directly from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.